Be honest. How many times today did you open your phone and forget why you picked it up? Yeah, that's not you being lazy. That's your brain being hijacked. You sit down to work. 5 minutes later, boom, Instagram, YouTube, random thoughts, no focus, no energy, no motivation. And you start thinking, bro, what's wrong with me? Listen to me. Nothing is wrong with you. Modern life is destroying your attention. And today, I'll show you exactly how and how to fix it. Section 1. Your brain is under attack. Your brain was built to survive the jungle, not 24/7 notifications. Every beep, every message, every scroll, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine equals pleasure chemical, the same stuff released when people gamble or eat junk food. So now your brain is addicted, not to goals, not to growth, but to easy hits of pleasure. That's why you can't read long, you can't watch full videos, you can't sit still, you quit fast. Your brain says, why work hard when I can get easy dopamine? And boom, focus is dead. Section 2. Why you feel mentally tired. You don't work hard, you work scattered. 10 tabs open, phone buzzing, music playing, mind thinking about 100 things. That's mental overload. Science calls it decision fatigue. Your brain gets tired from too many choices. What to watch, what to eat, what to reply, what to post. By evening, your brain is cooked. That's why you say, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow, same cycle. Section 3. The real enemy is constant stimulation. Back then, boredom made people creative. Now, we kill boredom instantly. Waiting in line? Phone. On the toilet? Phone. Before sleep? Phone. Your brain never rests. So when it's time to focus, your brain says, where's my stimulation? And if it's not fun, you quit. Section 4. How to rebuild your focus. Now listen carefully. This is where your life changes. 1. Dopamine reset. For 1 hour daily, no phone, no music, no videos, just silence. Your brain will feel bored. Good. That's healing. 2. Single task like a king. Stop multitasking. It kills focus. Do one thing fully. Set timer 25 minutes. No distractions. Work, then break. Repeat. 3. Morning control equals day control. First hour after waking, no phone, no reels, no news. Instead, drink water, move your body, write goals, read 5 pages. You win the morning, you win the mind. 4. Clean your digital life. Unfollow junk. Delete useless apps. Mute nonsense. Your mind becomes what you consume. Choose wisely. Section 5. Emotional moment. I know how it feels. You want to do better, but you feel stuck. You're not weak, you're overstimulated. Your potential is still there, buried, waiting. And I promise you, the moment you take control, your focus comes back, your confidence comes back, your hunger comes back. Section 6. Your new identity. From today, you are not distracted, you are disciplined. You don't chase pleasure, you chase progress. You don't scroll life away, you build a future. One focused day turns into a focused life. If this video hit you, smash that like. If you're serious about leveling up, subscribe. And share this with a brother who's lost his focus. Remember, your brain is powerful. You just need to take it back. Stay strong. Stay focused. We're just getting started. Fire.